How to turn on or turn off split keyboard mode on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on general management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down. In here, tap on mode and then go to the landscape view section and select split keyboard. Now this is the standard keyboard. So if I go to my text messages, here you can see if I open up my keyboard, this is the standard keyboard. And if I switch over to my split keyboard, then this is what it looks like. So here, this is the split keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.